All right, good afternoon. We are taking the Softail out for its first little rodeo, under my ownership at least. Only potential issue is we are in danger zone in the fuel department. I need to get to the gas station right now. Me sitting here talking to you, letting this thing warm up, is a mistake. All right, let's move. Talk to you on the road. This thing is freaking sweet. This backrest is awesome. I hate these handlebars. Oh wow, this thing is serious. It's safe to say this is a lot faster than the Panhead. All right, hell yeah. We made it this far. No stopping now. So this is a 93 Softail wide glide. It has a Mikuni HSR 42, which is drinking all my fuel right now. Thunderheader. It's got a mild cam. I don't know what cam it has in it. I remember when my friend bought this. This is a bike from a buddy of mine who is no longer riding anymore. He is out of the game, which is probably smart around here. But we got it from his, longtime buddy, and he's had this bike forever. So it does have a mild cam in it. Oh man, I don't know if I'm gonna make it. We'll be all right. And apparently high compression pistons, which, I mean, according to my butt dyno, this thing is, I gotta be a little careful because I'm gonna run out of fuel. But man, this thing feels powerful. Oh, hell yeah. Everybody likes this bike. So far, my favorite part about this bike is the backrest. It's really awesome. You can't see it, but it's there, I promise. Man, this thing is sweet. Yeah, so the story with this is a couple years back, my buddy's friend was offloading his fleet of bikes, and the only way he was going to sell both bikes is if both bikes at the same time, right? So my buddy hit me up, seeing if I wanted to buy his Street Glide, which I think was 04 or 06, I forgot which one. And the only way he was going to sell it in a package deal, so he kind of needed me to hop in to buy that so he can buy this. And this was going to be his, not first bike, but first bike in a long time. First bike in a long time. I guess he used to ride back in the day. Decided to get back into it. Had it for some time, riding around. I went on a couple rides with him and everything. Like, I've been around this bike a couple times. This bike is sweet. He hit me up one day. He's like, he was entertaining the idea of getting rid of it for some time. I was trying to get him into dirt bikes and get him into like an ADV bike. So I was like, yeah, sell it. Let's get a dirt bike. But I think he pulled the trigger. I hit him up. I was like, yeah, I'll buy it. So he hit me up, and I was like, yeah, of course, I'll buy it. And here we are. And we made it to the gas station. So we are, in my opinion, we're winners right now. We made it. Damn, it's a sweet bus. All right. Put that to regular. All right. Both of these tanks up and running, baby. Filled to the brim. Hope there's not a car coming around this bus. I hate these bars for like tight, or I mean, you know what, honestly, it's probably the risers as well. Pullback risers with pullback bars, a little overkill if you ask me. But yeah, I don't even know where I was. But yeah, he hit me up to buy it, and of course I jumped on it as I would. And I'm just, wow, this thing is cool as hell. This is definitely the fastest Softail I had this year. I guess if you, I don't know. I wonder how this would match up against the M8. I guess technically that's a Softail as well. I mean, this feels way more wild than the M8 does. But I guess also that wasn't mine. That was my buddy's bike, so this is technically mine because I paid for it. But yeah, so as far as the running of Softails that I own this year, I'm gonna go and say this is the Softail of the year, especially in power and tough guyness. Oh yeah. Oh brother. This thing freaking moves. Oh. Damn, he ain't lying. Duck, 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 duck. Scooter. I'm a scooter guy now, if anybody's wondering. Wow, this bike is sick. It's a little over that turn. I don't like that. Yeah, this is the ultimate 90s cruiser. The seat is so good. I can't emphasize enough. This seat and backrest. I know it's dorky, but man. Taking my spot, take some pictures of this thing. While we have a nice day. It's been raining a lot, and I think it's supposed to rain later, so I don't know when I'll have a chance to do this. I didn't wipe it down. It's a little dusty, but what are you gonna do? It's late enough in the day where I know I'm not disturbing any peace, but it's also pretty bright, which I'm not a giant fan of. Damn, do I take this off for the pictures, or do I leave it on? I think I'm gonna take it off for the pictures. But yeah, look how cool this bike looks. Put that right there. Try not. I'll just keep this in my hand. I decided to leave the backrest out for the photos, but it comes with the bike. Hell yeah. I think it came out pretty good. I don't usually check them until I get home to come up. Then I really messed them up, you know? Then I get to ride a bike again. Oh no. Yeah, I don't like these handlebars. I don't like these risers. I feel like the risers are a little overkill for these handlebars. And I don't got like long arms. I like, I got short arms, so it's not like, I don't know. I mean, if you're going in a straight line on the highway, yes, ideal for sure. You get to the parking lots or U-turns and stuff, it gets a little weird. Watch, I'll do a U-turn right here. I'll do like a little circle here in the wet. Yeah, like I can't like turn it weird. I don't know. Not for me. I guess I'm used to like tracker bars and stuff. It's got just over 13,000 miles. My buddy would be the second owner of this bike, so that would make me the third owner of this bike. I know there are receipts for all the work done on this bike somewhere out there. I'm probably gonna have to go through, if somebody really wants those, I'm probably gonna have to go down the rabbit hole to get them, but they're out there. So the first time I rode this bike, years ago, I really hated the forward controls. I was coming off of a lot of floorboard Softails, a lot of heritage Softails. So like this style forward control on the Softail just feels weird. I feel like I'm constantly I'm hanging on with them, if that makes any sense, and they're awfully close to the bike. It's not a deal breaker for me, but I feel like with this bike, how it's set up, but with floorboards, would be really sick. I've always wanted that. I always want like a chopper Softail with floorboards, like skinny front end, even wide glide, but like 21 inch, which is cool, or narrow glide. I know that Brendan over at Quality Handmade does a lot of those Softails. They always come out nice. I always like secretly want one, but there's just no place in my life for one at this moment. This thing sounds great. I gotta figure out how to do like those like audio, like those like where you can hear the exhaust good on YouTube and Instagram, like somehow put the mic near the exhaust but not too close, because this thing sounds awesome. It's tough to get like a grasp of its sound. I'll Google it, I'll figure it out. I like this bike a lot. Dare I say, I like this bike more than the Panhead. The Panhead is just really cool. But, I mean, this is just like an improved version of the Panhead, obviously. Oh, this thing is sweet. Yeah, I'm gonna sell this one outright. I mean, maybe even trade. I've been looking for like a travel van or some kind of small RV. So maybe if somebody's got one of those, something reliable, maybe trade for that or trade towards that. If, you know, price is right. Man, this thing ships great too. This is a good bike. Frickin' Evos, am I right? Oh, I didn't give it the slow race test. Let's see how the slow race test on this thing. Oh. Oh. No. Instantly lost. Wow. The backrest on the Softail is wild because the backrest shakes as much as the Softail does. Dare I say, this shakes as much, if not more, than the Panhead. But obviously it's more comfortable because it's seat. It seems taller too. Like if you look at this bike from the side, like it seems like, alright, let me rewind there. The guy, the package deal I was talking about earlier, this bike was a part of that package deal. The guy we got it from was a big dude. So he probably did something, because I remember the Street Glide was real stiff too. So I wouldn't be surprised if he did something to the shock in the rear, maybe upgraded it, maybe did something with the preload. Not entirely sure if the preloads are adjustable on Softails. I don't know much about them, but man, this thing is sweet. Let's check its brakes. Ready? Oh, she slides. Yeah, my chickens are outside. I gotta scare them inside. Let's get them. Yeah, we'll go around this way. Here, you guys, come with me on the chicken safari. I know you guys can't see, but one went that way, one went this way. They're trying to juke me. This isn't the best chicken safari bike. Horn is loud as hell. I didn't even notice how big that horn is. Scared me. I thought there was a car behind me in my own lawn. Alright guys, get out of there. Okay, let me scare him away. Scare him out and then chase him with the Softail. Ooh, don't fall in the soft grass. Oh, they're running into each other. There we go. Here's our time. Here we go. Oh, this is a thorn bush. Damn. gonna get you. Go inside. Backyard. Damn, I'm a freaking chicken herder now. Softail chicken herder at your service. Sweet bike. Freaking tassels are sweet. Yeah, it looks taller than normal Softails, in my opinion. Oh, phone call. Who's calling me? I don't know that number. Not picking it up. Damn. Yeah, this thing's cool as hell. But yeah, what was I looking at? The shocks. It just seems taller. I know the seat is super thick. I know that probably has a lot to do with it. The rear just seems like a bigger gap than I'm used to seeing on Softails. So I'm assuming it got like a bigger shock or something under there, or shocks. I don't even freaking really know. I think there's two, right? Yeah, there's two on Softails. But yep, this thing is going to be up for sale hopefully next week. And also the panhead is most likely going to be raffled off if anybody's interested in that. Thanks for coming along with me to the gas station and making sure I made it home safe. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a good one. Chicken. Softail. Softail chicken. Go in the backyard.